We're the only veterinary parasitology research team in the whole of New Zealand, and our work mainly focuses on helping farmers and vets sustainably control parasites. We've got quite a unique skill set. So the main one is traditional parasitology skills, which is what we use with the microscopes. This is very important because it's a dying technique. There is only a handful of people in New Zealand that's capable of it. We've got people that are looking at ectoparasites, developing biopesticides to control blowfly and ticks, welfare analysis, looking at vaccine development, so doing field trials to actually validate the vaccine as well. So we've got a lot of cool science coming. We involve the farmer in our research, we involve the vets, all the way through to the lab and these novel techniques that we use. And what I think is really cool is we can take that research and go back to the farmer and say, this is what we've done and we can try and help you. Research always focused on trying to prevent drug resistance. That's not the case anymore. Unfortunately, most farms have got some form of resistance on their farm. So it's not how can we prevent it, but how can we change? How can we mitigate this?
The problem today is that the chemicals that farmers rely on to control worms are not working. Farmers should care because of it. If they don't get onto it quickly enough, it will cost them a significant amount of money. Stakeholders need to care because they represent the farming industry. It's a major problem for farmers, so it's a big problem for stakeholders.
The new upcoming question is, I have drench resistance, how can I fix it? Can someone help me? And so a lot of our work now is looking into how we can mitigate these problems, if we can reverse resistance. So that's through farming management, controlling the parasite in the environment, the development of vaccines and things like that.
The solution is complex, but the most important aspect is to change the farming operation in such a way that you need less chemicals.
The team and I are very passionate about what we do because the science that we do and the research has a direct impact on the farmers. The whole purpose of our work is to be able to improve their farming situation. And I think a lot of us have a lot of pride in what we do because we feel like we're helping.